Hey everyone, if you're getting ready for knee replacement surgery, you might be feeling a mix of excitement and nerves. I'm here to help you get fully prepared so that your surgery and recovery go as smoothly as possible. Hi, it's Steve from My Cold Therapy and Supply Cold Therapy, where we help people get back to living. If you're new here, make sure you click that subscribe button and all the links to everything we mentioned in this video that you can find linked in the description box below. Now let's jump right into it. Step number 4, prepare your home for post-surgery. You want to make home modifications specifically around safety. So you want to remove trip hazards like loose rugs or clutter. Install grab bars in the bathroom, especially near the toilet and in the shower. Arrange for a raised toilet seat and consider adding a shower chair for added safety. You also want to make your living spaces accessible. So set up a comfortable recovery area in your home, ideally on the ground floor to avoid stairs. This space should include a comfortable chair or recliner, a table to hold items where you might need things, entertainment options like books, magazines, or a television. The next step, and this is important, is meal prep. Stock up on the essentials before the surgery. Stock your kitchen with easy to prepare meals, snacks, beverages to minimize the need for cooking during your recovery. Consider preparing and freezing meals in advance for easy reheating after the surgery. You also want to plan for nutritional needs. Ensure you have healthy nutrition options that support your healing process. High protein foods can aid in tissue repair, while fruits and vegetables provide essential vitamins and minerals. Now that you're better prepared for knee replacement surgery, we invite you to subscribe to our channel and like our videos. Your support, at no cost to you, helps us continue creating valuable content that assists individuals in returning to an active and fulfilling life. Now please make sure you check out all the videos in this series and let's get back to living.